My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. So welcome back, and I just got done filming an update on my hair and what I do for my hair since I've dyed it silver, and I showed you the products that I use in it and stuff like that and what's been helping. And the reason why I even put makeup on and straightened my hair was because I wanted to do this video that I'm going to do right now. I wanted to do my Beauty Box 5 unboxing for January. I got it kind of late last month. What is the date? Today is February 3rd. So I got this, I think it was last Saturday. So I got it kind of late in February and been busy doing other stuff. And so finally I'm going to do the unboxing. I've already opened it. I don't remember what was in it though. Let me see. Here we go. So the card says, ready for my close-up. I like this card. I might frame that. It's kind of cute. So it shows me all the things that I got. Let me see. There's something by So Susan. It's a light diffuser. Let me look for that. This is what the box looks like. Let me show you what everything looks like first. So this is what this looks like. I should take a picture really fast before I mess the box up. Yeah, let me do that. Let me take a picture of what everything looks like. Sorry, y'all gotta see me taking a picture for the thumbnail. Okay, I don't like how my hair looks right now, but let me get a picture. Let me take a selfie. Okay, let me see. Is that a good shot? I scratched off the part that says Beauty Box, but okay, here it is. Did it take? I don't know. Let's take another one just in case. I don't know. We'll see. If I don't like those, I'll put the stuff back in the box and take another picture afterwards. Okay, so that's what's in there. Let me look for the So Susan light diffuser. Oh, let me get my glasses really fast. In my last video, doing my hair, I had to get up, and I felt like I needed to show y'all what I was wearing. I'm not wearing anything fancy. This is my husband's big old shirt that I like to wear because it's comfy, covers my butt. But let me show you what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing nude colored, what do you call them? Leggings and some little booty socks type thing. I love these. They're so cute. Let me show you what they look like close up. When I showed y'all for my hair video a minute ago, it did it again. My sock came out with it. But aren't these just adorable? They're kind of dirty right now, but I only wear them indoors, but they do have a sole in case I have to go out to the front and get the mail or something. But I love these. You should have seen me the other day. I was wearing my pajama shorts and a tank top and these booties. I looked funny, but I was comfy. All right, I got my glasses. I know, I'm so old. Oh, you know what? They're so dirty, I can't even wear them. I don't have time to look for the thing to clean them. Where's my... I'll just use this. My mom, when she moved out of this home, which is my childhood home, this used to be my bedroom when I was a teenager. She left this magnifying glass, so I just so happened to find it, so that's awesome. I'll use this right now. So, I feel like such an old lady. Well, I am 52. No wonder I can't see. So this retails for $18. It says, with the scent of cocoa and coconut, this pan smells good enough to eat and gives you a perfectly defined photo-ready look. Apply the contour shade on the hollows of your cheeks while placing the illuminator over cheekbones, temples, and nose. Okay, so it's a highlighting contour thing. I saw the little box, but I never opened it. This is what it looks like. It's by So Susan. It's a light diffuser. You know, I love Beauty Box 5. Like I've told you before, I'm not sponsored. I've never been sponsored by any products, by any companies. Ooh, it's cute. Yeah. I got one of these last month. Let me see where it is. Where is it? I got one that looks just like it, but from a different company. Oh, I think this is it. Is this it? Yeah. See, it's very similar. Right? This one's very similar. This one is by, it's a bronzer highlighter, and it's by Mana Kadar. But I've been using it mainly for eyeshadows instead of highlight and contour. Maybe I should try it right now, even though I have makeup on. It might show. Let me see. I'll use my BH contouring brush. See how it's angled? Let me see if I can get in there. Get into the... where did I put the product? Can you see it? Yeah, I can see that it, even though I already have some on, I do see that it got darker. Nice. Okay, now this side, let's see if we can see a difference. Get this hair out of my way. Yeah, I can see it. This is what makes my unboxing so long, is that I like to try everything. Cool. Let me use my e.l.f. brush and see what it looks like on my nose, even though I've already contoured my nose. Ooh, I like this better than the one I did use. Okay, now let me try the highlighting part. I need a brush. Brusha, brusha, brusha. Well, let me just try it with my finger. Oh yeah, do you guys see that? Yeah, I like the color. It's kind of like a golden color. Do you guys see it? Yeah. Ooh, that looks pretty there. Nice. I already have some on my cheekbones, so I won't do that. Yeah, so that's what's in here. That's this. Well, that took forever, didn't it? Sorry. Okay, the next thing is by CURLIES. CURLIES? It's a milk cleanser, soy milk cleanser, retails for $36. Cleanse away the day with this gentle, non-irritating blend of soy milk, soy proteins, whole oat, and white tea. Use on damp skin to remove makeup. Rinse in warm water and apply a moisturizer afterwards. Okay, so that's what this is right here. I have a ton of these. They put one of these in, I think, every single beauty box, I promise you. Okay, the next thing is by Novex, and it's Bamboo Sprout Leave-In Conditioner, and it retails for $4.99. It says the harsh winds of winter are especially hard on the scalp and strands. This leave-in conditioner made with bamboo sprout leaves your mane feeling nourished with a glossy celebrity hair shine. It's a leave-in, so I'm going to try it on right now. Let me see. It's by Novex. I also get a lot of products from Novex too. So this is what it looks like. And let's see. I'm going to put it on the ends of my hair. Why not? Okay, so here's what... I'll just try a little bit. Is there a scent? Yeah, not bad. Not a bad scent. So I'm just going to rub it in my hands like this. And I'm going to rub it on the ends of my hair. Because who doesn't need more healthy, nourished hair? Especially after you've done as much as you've done to, as much as I've done to my hair. So yeah. Awesome. Great. I need that. I'm going to keep this out handy. Or maybe I'll leave it in my purse, because sometimes, even though I've already put conditioner in, sometimes when you're out in the day, and because I've done so much to my hair, my ends tend to get dry throughout the day. So yeah, I'll keep it in my purse so I can recondition if I have to. Okay, the next thing is by Nana Coco. And it's classic collection nail polish that retails for $3.95. Give your acrylics a break with these fashion-inspired nail colors. Throw this polish in your purse and take it to your next pedi appointment or make a DIY spa day at home. That's what I usually do it at home. I love this color. Look at that. It's like a gray. It looks lighter on camera, but in person it's like, I don't know. It's cool. It's a light gray. Let me try it on. Put it on my pinky. I used to be a nail tech. I don't know if y'all know that. But yeah, I shouldn't put it on my pinky because pinkies for some reason take the longest to dry. That's why most nail techs, if they're doing it correctly, most nail techs start with the pinky when they polish your nails. Because then by the time they get done with all of your fingers, the pinky should be dry. I think the reason why it takes so long is because it's such a small area. So it goes on a little thicker on there. Wow, I like it. Can you see it? I like it. It's a pretty color, especially if your nails are short like mine are right now. And that's just one coat. Can you see it? It's not focusing. Focus, focus, focus. Okay, so there it is. Anyway. Pretty full. Yeah, like Austin Powers. Love it. All right, what color is it? Let me see if I can find a color for y'all. It's by Nana Coco. And did I already say the color? Oh, it's called Best of My Love. How adorable is that? It's so pretty full. Okay, the next thing, I know, I make up words all the time. One of my other videos, I watched it back and I'm like, what? Fantastical? I'm always making up new words. So the next thing is Masquerade Spotted Anti-Blemish Clear Spot Patches. Huh. Retails for $7. In Canada, it says CAD. I think that means Canada. There's nothing worse than a blemish before a big event. Made with salicylics. I don't know. SALICYLIC. Salicylic? Whatever. There's nothing worse than a... Okay. Made with that. Salicylic, whatever, acid, volcanic ash, and tea tree oil. These patches absorb excess oil and calm redness quickly. Cleanse affected area and apply overnight for best results. That is awesome. Wow, I've never heard of that. So that's what this is right here. Let's open her up and see what it says. It says, say bye-bye to blemishes. Okay, my finger's still dry. I mean, still drying. Okay, so it's just, oh, it's two of them. There's two of them. Yay. All right, so I'm gonna hold on to those. I don't get blemishes hardly anymore. Maybe I'll give these to my daughter or to my son. I think they still get blemishes. I get them once in a while, like the other day, yesterday as a matter of fact, and I think there is something down inside, one of those bumps down in there that sometimes get really red and swollen and hurt a lot. I think I've got something like that, but I'm trying to not mess with it, not touch it so that it doesn't become ugly and red and everything else. Okay, so that's it. That's what's in my box. It's empty now. I like how they always put party stuff in there. All right, so that is it, and I hope you enjoyed it. There wasn't a whole lot of makeup or anything to try on, so it didn't... Oh, I forgot to... that probably looks really silly, huh? Forgot to blend that out. Been sitting here with a face full of stuff without blending. Alrighty, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and I should be getting my Beauty Box 5 this month, so I hope it's not late this month so I can show y'all what's in it. And let me see, what is going to be one of my next tutorials? In my hair video that I just filmed for you, I had asked y'all if y'all would be interested in a live event with me, because I know that in my other channel, Made with Love by Glama, they really enjoyed those. They got to ask me whatever they wanted, and I got to answer right then and there. The quality won't be as good as this if we decide to do that, if y'all decide that you want to do a live event with me, because I'll probably use my laptop camera. so that I can see what y'all are, the questions that y'all are typing, and I can answer them right off the bat. Is there anything else I wanted to share with y'all? I'm gonna probably recreate the bold, dramatic look that I posted recently. I'm gonna change up the eyes though to not look so crazy, but I'm gonna try to remember how I did the lips, because the lips, I loved the lips yesterday. Today I am wearing my Wet n Wild 914C, the one that's in mocha, the one that if you watched the video where I showed y'all this, my shopping haul, it was my least favorite, but I told you I liked it, but it was my least favorite, but I'm wearing it because I'm wearing brown. And then I put Wet n Wild Breeze on top on the center areas right there. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing. The lip liner that I'm wearing is by Ofra or whatever, however you say it, in the color Spicy. Got this in a beauty box. Yay. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alrighty guys, bye. Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.